Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be all about lipsticks. If you love lipsticks, then this video is for you. And especially if you love nude lipsticks, then this video is so definitely for you. So today I'm going to be talking about all the new shades that I could find from good brands under rupees 1000. The MRP could be a little higher, but these lipsticks are always on sale. These are super affordable, but from good brands. And all the lipstick shades that I'm going to be sharing with you guys will suit all the Indian skin tones really beautifully. So I have pink nudes and I have brown nudes. I will leave link of everything in the description box below, but we are going to go brand wise. So let's quickly get started with Maybelline first. I'm going to be talking about this. This is, I think, their recent launch, Superstay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline New York. I got it in the shade 130 Extra, and this is a very beautiful, almost like a brick color. Very long lasting lipstick. It is almost like a glue onto the lips. If you apply it, just be rest assured that's not going to go anywhere for many hours. The color is absolutely very stunning. It's a brick brown color on the lips, will suit all the Indian skin tones perfectly. It's vibrant and it is very out there, but it is of course subtle and mellow as well. I really like this shade. I mean, I am picky about my lipstick shades. I cannot go anywhere beyond nude lipsticks. I do not wear red lipstick. I don't wear any other color except my nudes. So this is one color I definitely wear. I wore it and it lasted me a really long time. Even though I talk a lot, I eat a lot, and I eat a lot of oily stuff as well. But this is not going to budge. It's a very good lipstick. Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. I'm going to go really fast because I think I have 14 lipsticks over here. I'm going to be talking about this one. If you've seen my favorites video, you know that this particular tint, it is called as a tint. It is buildable and it almost stays like a liquid lipstick and it just looks amazing. I mean, it's called as a tint. I don't know why. This is Maybelline New York Superstay Teddy Tint. Of course, it says Superstay. It definitely stays on for a very long time. It is again like a glue onto the lips. It's very beautiful. And in this, I got two shades. Basically, I watched a couple of videos and sometimes it is very difficult to match the perfect shade with your skin tone online. So I picked up two shades. Out of these two, one is definitely my favorite. Again, one of these has featured in my favorites video. I'm going to leave a link of that video over here if you've not watched it. Maybe you can watch it if you want. So the first shade that I would be talking about is this one. This is 80 Keep It Cozy. And it's a very beautiful color. Like it's a brown chocolate. Not really chocolate, but it's a very moussey finish texture and it's a very beautiful brown nude color. Of course, it is buildable. It stays on for a really long time. It's just that I feel like you just don't have to do like this now. Don't purse your lips together after it has dried because I feel like it just flakes off because it is not going to go completely and it looks kind of patchy and all of that. So just one advice, do not rub your lips together once you've applied it and it is dry. So yeah, keep it cozy. Really beautiful color. And then I picked up this one. This is 1.5 Skinny Dip. I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw somebody talk about it and I really like the formulation of this tint. This is the color. This is slightly lighter. And this is in a pink nude, not in a brown nude. So I am more inclined towards brown nudes as opposed to pink nudes, but I don't have any problem with pink nude. I really like this one, which is Skinny Dip, but I would prefer any day Keep It Cozy over Skinny Dip. This is a lighter shade. It is very beautiful for daytime, especially if you go to college and stuff. It's just a beautiful tint or a flush of color on your lips. It is lipstick, but it is not really lipstick. It is going to last for a really long time. It's a very beautiful color for the day. These Teddy tints, if you've not tried yet, I would strongly recommend you trying this out because it's really good, like really good. Maybelline has stepped up their game by launching this Superstay Teddy tint. It's really beautiful. Those were all the Maybelline lipsticks that I want to talk about. Now let's quickly talk about some L'Oreal lipsticks. First lipstick that I want to talk about is this one. I think I also spoke about this lipstick in my favorites in my Eid video, and today I'll be talking about this lipstick as a very strong recommendation. Like, this is the one that I'm wearing. This is not going to budge anywhere. Like, I talk a lot and I eat a lot, and this one just stays put. It is so beautiful, guys. This one is L'Oreal Paris ka 635 Worth It Medium. I think this is going to be a cult favorite for a lot of people. Worth It Medium is here to stay, especially in India for Indian skin tones. Worth It Medium is beautiful, beautiful. It is such a perfect color. It is a liquid lipstick. It has a doe foot applicator. Application is very easy. It just gives pigmentation in one swipe, and it is just so beautiful on the lips. This is the color that you get, and it stays on for a very long time. And then I'm going to be talking about these two shades. These are satin finish lipsticks, and the first shade that I'll be talking about is this one. This is 540 and 570. Let me just quickly tell you that I'm using 540 since last 2 months. Honestly, every single day, because this is one color that you can literally wear anywhere without a bit of a hesitation or whatever. School, college, office, gatherings, events, functions, formal events, anything, anywhere, any place. This is such a beautiful color. This is 540 New Unstoppable, and it is so perfect. It is such a beautiful color. It just gives a very nice sheen on the lips, like very, very beautiful sheen on the lips. That because it is a satin lipstick, you need a bit of reapplication. This is the color. It is a very light, brown nude color. It is just so beautiful during the day. You can use it with a lip liner, but I just like to apply it as is. And it is such a perfect shade, especially for the summer, especially during the day. You just cannot go wrong with this one. This is my all-time favorite. I'm going to repurchase it all the time. And then moving on to a slightly darker version of this one. So like dusky to medium skin tone, this is going to be perfect nude shade. This one is 570, and this is Worth It Intense. There are 3 shades: Worth It, Worth It Medium, and Worth It Intense. Worth It, the first shade, is going to wash Indian skin tones out. I feel like Worth It Medium is beautiful for dusky to medium skin tone, and Worth It Intense is really beautiful for deeper skin tones. So this is a perfect shade for the deeper skin tones. This is slightly dark, as you can see. It's a brown. It's a mix of a slight bit of a brown slash pink, nude. So it is a slightly cooler nude. I feel like, yeah, it has a cooler undertone. Surprisingly, for a satin finish, it definitely stays for a little while longer than any other satin finish lipstick. But because it is satin finish, of course, you need to reapply it after a couple of hours. So yeah, this is Worth It Intense, 570. Moving on to another shade by L'Oreal Paris. First of all, how beautiful and gorgeous and elegant is the packaging. It's a slim packaging. I have also mentioned about this lipstick in one of my videos. This is 540 Le Nude Unstoppable. This again is a very beautiful, almost a pink nude shade. So this is the color. Almost looks like Max Meher, and it is a very beautiful formulation. It is just one swipe application, very opaque and long lasting, and it is not going to make your lips feel dry. It is a satin finish, and it is very, very comfortable on the lips. Again, everyday wear lipstick, perfect for office, college, perfect for everyday hangouts. This is 540 Le Nude Unstoppable. This is a beautiful shade. Again, I would highly recommend this one. So those were all the L'Oreal lipsticks. Now I will talk about a Revlon lipstick. I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw somebody talking about Revlon and especially this particular shade. It took me a while to actually search this shade. The sticker of the shade name is so tiny that if you can read it on screen, trust me, you're going to get lucky within 24 hours. This is a Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink, and the shade is 005 Silky Sienna. Honestly, yes, I did search for it because the way it was described by that influencer or somebody on Instagram was beautiful, and I just could not resist, and I had to purchase this one. This, I think, is originally for $12.99, and I think this is the only lipstick that has gone above 1,000 rupees. So I think it was for $1,099 during the sale. Of course, everything is available on sale. So of course, I've provided the link of it in the description box below. It's a very beautiful color, first of all. So it's a liquid lipstick. It's a pink nude lipstick, has a cooler undertone, and it will just survive you through the day. If you can find Colorstay Satin Inks ka Silky Sienna by Revlon, definitely grab it because it is very hard to find, one, and second, it is very difficult to resist the shade and the formulation. So I have been a fan of Revlon lipsticks, but I never thought that something could be this great. It is a very beautiful color on the lips and it is very, very opaque. So love this color by Revlon. That was the only lipstick that I have from Revlon. Now we'll talk about Faces Canada. So I got 2 shades and these were like very, very affordable lipsticks, I think in the range of 400-500 rupees. And I got 2 shades by Faces Canada. And these are comfy matte lipsticks. So the first one that I will be talking about is the shade For the Win 08. And honestly, if you can read it on the screen, the shade name, then you are amazing, honestly. This shade is slightly brick color, slightly deeper, and it is a warmer, brown lipstick. This Faces Canada lipstick is beautiful. It's powdery matte. It is not sticky at all. I look like a monkey because I have done a lot of lip swatches, honestly, and I just could not get the stains out from the corners of my lips, so outer corners. It's a very beautiful lipstick. Faces Canada. Almost similar to the Maybelline Vinyl Ink, this shade, but the longevity of the Faces Canada lipstick, this swatch that I've done on my hand is going to stay till morning or maybe till afternoon tomorrow. It is like a glue on the lip, and I'm not joking. It is such a long lasting lipstick because I've tried it and I know that it just sticks on and it just refuses to leave. It is a very beautiful color. So if you want something very, very long lasting, you should definitely try this lipstick. This is a comfy matte lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. It definitely is going to be drying. Pigmentation, oh my god, the opaqueness, the color payoff, it is so beautiful, like Faces Canada. And I've never tried their lipsticks. This is the first time that I've tried Faces Canada lipstick, and I'm super, super, super impressed. The next shade in the same comfy matte one is this one. Again, this is called as Fun Club 27. Very, very tiny name of the shade. This is, I think, a slightly pink, color. Pink mauve nude lipstick, and as you can see, just a little goes a long way. It is a very thick lipstick, so it is very opaque, and of course it dries matte. It is very comfortable on the lips, but it stays on for so long. So these 2 shades side by side, if I can show you, this one is slightly towards the reddish brown end and this one is towards the nude cooler pink undertone end. So yeah, these are 2 lipsticks from Faces Canada, and this is such a beautiful, very, very extremely long lasting lipsticks. Moving on to Tipsy Beauty. I have been super impressed by this brand. I tried this smaller liquid lipstick. I think for 298 rupees, I got the shade Rose Sorbet 09. I just lost its cap somehow, but it's such a gorgeous shade, Rose Sorbet. And because it mentions Rose Sorbet, it has a slight bit of a pink undertone, if I can show you guys. It's a very beautiful satiny finish lipstick, and even though it is a satin lipstick, almost satin, it's a bullet lipstick, but it is very long lasting. I love the color of this one. It's Rose Sorbet is definitely a very beautiful color. Many a times it is sold out, so if you find it on Amazon, please grab it because it's a very beautiful shade. It's a very convenient lipstick in every way. So I picked up another shade in this one, and this one is called as Honey Boo 08, and this is a brown, undertone ka shade. It is slightly different than the Upar Wala. See, if you see the swatch, you'll probably feel like sare shades to same hai. We all know ki sare shades different hai. Like, I can tell ki shades are different. I just know it. But otherwise, if you show the swatch to people, they're like, no, all the shades are same. What? You just pick one. It's a brown undertone nude shade. And again, as I told you, it lasts a very long time. It is satin finish and it just looks really nice on the lips. In fact, it is between matte and satiny finish. So it is in between somewhere, and it is that perfect sweet spot. It looks fabulous on the lips. Now I'll move on to Lakme. Just one Lakme lipstick, which I feel is a slightly different, a light colored liquid lipstick, but it is a nude lipstick. It is a pink nude lipstick, like only out and out pink nude. It's a beautiful color for daytime, especially if you are medium to fair. This is going to look so pretty on you. It is again a very, very long lasting lipstick. It is a cool undertone. Again, this is a very beautiful daytime, nighttime, for office, college. This is a very pretty shade, like very pretty shade for everyone. Like Lakme has done a good job with this shade. So yeah, I really like this shade, Lakme. And the shade name, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is 301 and this is called as Nude Umbrella. Again, there's a tiny sticker and very, very difficult to read the shade name, Lakme. Then I'm going to talk about one lipstick that I have loved a lot. This is by Kay Beauty. I really like Kay Beauty as a brand. It's a decent celebrity brand. Generally, celebrity brands could be hit or a miss, but this one is here to stay. Like Kay Beauty is here to stay, and they're doing a fab job with all of their products. Like I love this lipstick. This is a very popular lipstick. This is Kay Beauty Hydra Creme lipstick, and the shade is called as Panache. And this one is such a gorgeous color. It's a brown nude color, and if you just buy this, I think you're good to go. You buy just one lipstick from my recommendation from this video and you're done. Really, you do not need any other lipstick for a couple of months. So this shade is beautiful. This is a brown undertone lipstick. And it matches L'Oreal lipstick, but if I have to prefer Kay Beauty's Panache over L'Oreal 540 Unstoppable, which is this shade, I will prefer L'Oreal 540 Unstoppable. I would definitely prefer this one over Kay Beauty. I just feel like this is more long lasting than the Kay Beauty one. But Kay Beauty lipstick, this is a slightly heavy lipstick. However, you don't feel that heaviness on the lips. I just feel like that. I like the comfort of this L'Oreal lipstick. It is just so comfortable. It's like nothing on the lips, like a lip balm. It just glides on. And Panache is a beautiful shade. You should definitely try. But if you have a deeper skin tone, I would suggest stay away from it because it's going to wash you out. But for medium to fair skin tone, it's a beautiful nude color shade. I think a cult shade by Kay Beauty's Hydra Creme lipstick. And of course, it has a creamy texture. It gives a beautiful sheen on the lips and it stays on for a while, like 2-3 hours. Aram say this will stay if you're not eating oily food, especially. So it's a good shade. So guys, those were all the nude shade lipsticks that I picked up for today's video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you take away something from this video. Do let me know which is your favorite nude lipstick. I would love to try it out. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a quick like. Also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit on to that bell notification to get updates on my future videos. And if you want to know me a little extra, then this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.